Hi guys, if you've ever wondered how you can add CSS that only affects the elements that you want it to on one specific page on your WordPress website, then this video is going to show you how to do that. Here's the website we've been working on, and we've got this transparent header going on, okay? So all of the pages just use a big image and they go behind the logo and behind the menu and all the rest of it. Now if we go to our case studies page, you can see this white section here. We need to change this, we need to give this a background color, okay? And if we give a background color, we can obviously apply that to the site header. And if we apply that across the site, it's gonna ruin our transparent header. So what we need to do is we just need to apply the CSS to this page only, okay? So really easy to do this. We need to obviously view the code to the site, okay? So if we right click on the page and we view page source, what we're going to do is we're going to find the page ID so that we can target specifically this page of our CSS. So if we look down the code, and we can see here body class, okay, and you can see this first class here, blog. That's what we need to target. This is our blog page. Actually, if we just show you, if you was doing this on one of the other pages that wasn't the blog archive, okay, so let's say if we're doing it on this coaching page, if we view the page source and then we have a look here in the body class, you can actually see page template, page ID -39. So we could target this page ID, okay? Let's jump into the WordPress dashboard. And what we're going to do is we are going to go to Appearance, Customize, and we're going to click on Additional CSS, and here we're going to add our CSS. So I'll show you with the example first of all of targeting a page, okay? So if we go to page ID 39, okay, and then the element we actually want to target, which is the site header. So if we right click, inspect our source code, and then we have a little hunt around. Site header row container inner, that should be what we're looking for. If we jump back to our dashboard, set our class, and then we add our code, so background -color. And we've added the class, we've added important to our CSS rule just to make sure that there's nothing that's overriding that. So you can see we've managed to change the background of this header. And if we go on one of the other pages, you can see that they've maintained their transparent header. So that's great. And for the example that we were actually doing, we wanted to use the blog page. So you can see here, it's still got the white background in the header. And if we just change this rule here to blog, there you go. You can see we've changed the background color of our section just on that one page. So let's publish that. Go to the front end to check that our changes have worked across the site. So let's check all these sub pages. And then if we go to our case studies page, there you go, we've got a black header, so that's exactly the outcome we was looking for. So hope this video has been of use to you guys, and yeah, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more content coming soon.